What's up? Welcome again to Make Money More channel. This channel is all about sharing like side hustle, So today I have another website, where you can create this type of image and this, like you can make like $400 per day, guys. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys the the website that you're gonna be using in order for you to create this type of image and where you can sell this type of image. So without wasting any of your time, guys, I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to create this image. So other than that, guys, let's just jump right into. Okay, guys, so this is the tool that you're gonna be using for creating those type of image. So if you're new to this tool, you're gonna click on sign in here. So I click on not to add account register. So you're gonna enter your email, username, password, and the command, and then click on continue. So after I've done that, I'm gonna come back here. Okay, I'm just log in to show you guys. So you're gonna come back here and click on join the beta. And then it will take you to accept invite. And then boom, you're on this tool. So I'm gonna click on here and then scroll down to Neo piece. Yes, this one. I'm gonna click on here. And then after that, you're gonna click on invite. So when I create anything, guys, so for me let's just create let's see, so let's say but more about it. Out each stage right there. We just put this here. Then enter, and this tool will generate those type of image for us within like a minute. Sorry, you might. Okay, let's see. Let's now browse it. Okay.
Okay guys, so yeah, my image here. So I think this one is good guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just scroll down here and then let's see which image do I want to uh upscale. So I think number two. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. If you want to upscale number three, we're gonna click on trace on me. Once you upscale this two. So let's see. So I'm gonna wait with these guys. Okay, so now so yeah. Yeah, wow guys, I think this one is good guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just click on save images. Not just image. Yeah. And when I click on save. So this is download email. Okay guys, so the tool that we're gonna be using for us to enlarge those image because they're kind of small, so we need to enlarge them. So when I use this tool, AI image enlarger, when it's image, when I select our app, and then I click on open, and then we to click on 4x, and we're gonna start here. And then after that, you're gonna click on download. Okay guys, so now once I've enlarged those images, so now I need to sell them, on Redbubble, so if you're new to this website, you're gonna click on sign up here. Then I'm gonna click on artist sign up, and then when I say email here, the shop name, password, and then click on sign up. So for me, I do have an account here, so I'm gonna click on here. So yeah, I'm on my store now. So as you can see, many people are creating these self images, as you can see here. But yeah, guys, so you can create anything like clothing stickers, phone case, or so linear kits and pets, accessories, stationery, office, and gifts, and so forth. So if you want to sell art, you need to click on here, and you need to complete this requirement. So you need to add your profile picture, color, image, social links, at the bio, confirm email, and address, and the payment details. Whenever we make a sale, then you're gonna send you money to your bank. So I'm gonna click on add web. So upload the new head here. Okay, once it's completed the image loading, so when I say title here, let's see, and holding say holding a bob with that. And H inside. So you're gonna enter text, let's say and mark, then let's see, I wait, and so forth, uh, and then this questionnaire, and then to this questionnaire. So let's see, let's see, yeah, and say, oh, say copy, little copy, and say, bar, and done. And then when this go down here, so if you want to enable this one, I'm gonna click here. So if you want to disable, I'm gonna click here. So you choose which one do you want to sell it, whether it's 1K. So stickers for me, I want to choose stickers here for now for the sake of this video. So I'm gonna click on it, disable, and I'm gonna scroll down. Oh, there's a lot guys that we can set here. So I'm gonna choose tool. I'm gonna see one to teach about. Yeah, and then so here I'm gonna click on process no still works. Okay guys, so I want to click on optimize. So can for this way anybody so signature content yes so you're right. Boom boom, so congratulations, you're on your way to setting up a shop right into the dashboard. So here's my my project here. So okay guys, so now I want to show you guys how many people are visiting, right, Powerball and stuff. It's $400 per day is possible, guys. See, total visits last 3 months is 29 million. So anything is possible, guys. Yeah. So okay, guys. So a disclaimer here, like, so in order for you to kind of like sell those images you have created, you need to have like a pay plan and stuff. So the non-paid members and corporate users, they're not allowed to sell them, on Redbubble, but they can create those type of images to use them for their personal use and stuff, not to sell them. So if you want to sell them, like me, you need to get like a pay plan. For a pay plan is around $10, guys. So
okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, click the like button and support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and be notified guys whenever I upload a new video, and then I'm gonna be the first to know. So Other than that, guys, I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.